This is how the day ends. Hey, it can't be that eco-friendly. It's got an engine. Some kind of interview right now. And shunting into the actual wall. Carrera GT. Everything else that we didn't see today, but we're now. This is the upstairs. Here they go. Journey begins, buddy. Journey begins. We're there again. Last year we went in there. This year we're going a little further. Going to the big track. And we're here. The lineup for the day. And private track day again. I turn around, walk back, and give the lineup in the other direction. This is everybody for this year. Again, private track day 2025. Ford GT wasn't here last year. He's one of Bill's friends. Everything else, except for the McLaren, was. STO was here last year. GT4 RS here last year. Nolan with the Corvette was here last year. Bill and his mono here last year. Different McLaren this year. The Altera, which I was just talking to Bill, he just bought so he'd get his allocation for his W1. I think it's called the W1 McLaren that's being built. And then there's Elvis Stoico's race team, and he's doing some kind of interview right now with the media. Pretty neat. Who knew Elvis was into racing? Here they go. Woo! I'm still waiting to go out, but there we are. Some cars go by. GT4 RS, Elvis Stoico, Ford GT, and how do you feel about that one?
I feel really good about that lap. Yeah, okay. You know, it's a team effort. Team effort.
On channel 2.
It's good.
Off the podium.
Yeah. You hate to think it's anything more expensive. Timing Bill? 35. That's
how much longer till he comes through? Oh, look alive.
119.
Okay. I feel we've documented your timing job sufficiently now. Here comes the guy with the nicest sunglasses in the paddock.
That's wild, eh?
First laps of the big track. For me ever. Getting the tour. not in this solo. Just trying to figure out where the best spot to stick this GoPro is. You know what? Probably maybe on that intake. I hope we're good. We're gonna go out in this. Okay, crawling in with some dignity and grace. Here we go. First, we're gonna call Rob and make sure all the nannies are on. Hey, buddy. I just want to make sure all the nannies are on this when I turn it on. I'm getting ready to go out. It doesn't have the dial on the steering wheel, so does it automatically have traction control and everything on as soon as I turn it on?
Yes.
So I don't need to worry about pushing anything?
No. All right, buddy.
Cool, thanks.
You're welcome.
Bye. Buckle up for safety. We're going to take this nice and easy. Can't be that eco-friendly. It's got an engine.
Yeah,
I don't know how to crawl into this thing, to be honest.
There's no good way.
I just try not to touch anything.
Absolutely.
Maybe breathe.
We're both kind of operating blind here because
Yeah.
I don't technically.
Because it doesn't look like a stopwatch.
No.
That's the problem.
Comfort electric. No.
I'll buckle up for safety at least.
Sport.
You gotta gigantor size everything.
Yeah, I was gonna say everything's a little bit different size-wise.
Yeah. How tall are you?
6'6".
Yeah.
A little bit different. So.
Heading out. We're gonna be the safest guys.
Yeah, you don't have
Out
to worry
here.
about me too much.
Yeah. This is gonna be more of a pace car kind of a pace, I think,
Yeah.
right?
I'm not really the guy to push everything.
We know our place in society.
I know exactly where my place is. I'm not going to take any risks for them.
Yeah, you're here to put out fires, not cause them.
Yeah, precisely.
Mm-hmm. All right. Make sure this is still
I'll
going.
just go nice. I don't know anything about this car, so nice and easy on
This
the
is
way
my first
out.
time ever in a McLaren. Even in a McLaren. Well, no, that's all. I've sat in one before, but not one in motion.
I'm sure Stevie, I bet you know what? Bill, I think, has the most laps in this.
Bill likes his McLarens, I think, doesn't he?
It's tighter than I thought it was.
Is this in fancy mode, like fast mode?
No,
or
this
whatever?
is in sport because I don't want to push it, and
You
I
don't
know
wanna
that
take
these
any
are
of the
technically street tires. Like, these aren't Cup 2Rs or anything like that.
We don't want to take any of the nannies off,
No,
right?
no, I've made a policy for
Actually, I'm
myself.
trying to figure out where Rob. I think Rob spun out right here. I'm assuming this is. Where
No,
he
I think it
owns.
was in the big turn downhill sweeper 2.
that one. And we just
No,
went.
like 1 is off the back of the front straight. 2 is that one where you come out of pit lane. It's the first turn you do. I'm not even gonna punch it because I just don't feel like it's worth punching it. No. I know it has like the carbon ceramics and 200's plenty on the first little bit there.
Well, we haven't even done a lap yet.
Yeah, like not bad.
Yeah, I hope you believe in letting it warm up a smidgen.
No, I'm just not matting it or anything like that. I think it's just to get the feel of the car. It feels really cool.
Have you driven the other McLarens
The
before?
765? Yeah, I have. Yeah, it's really, really, really fast. This one just does feel more like tight. Everything around you feels tight because it's just so closed. This is definitely like, for me, this is quite a small cockpit.
Yeah.
I'm like bouncing into the roof. occasionally,
You're rubbing.
so I think this is where Rob
Oh, somebody's.
went off here.
Oh yeah. You know what?
I think that was it.
That's one of the many spots I'm getting nervous as far as like on the other track you don't see as many lines off and then shunting into the actual wall.
Yeah, like they're still there by the time they reach the wall.
There's a lot of black on the wall and different exits. Doesn't exactly inspire all kinds of confidence. The photographer set up at the corner there, right?
Oh God, I hope they're not watching how slow I go.
Well,
This one always catches me out.
Yeah, if I decide to drive Rob's car today, I'll be going at about this pace, I think. I don't think I feel the need. Whoa, this has some jam
Well,
on
now it's like I'm a little warmer.
My goodness. This definitely has some jam out of the gate.
Yeah, so I think I could have gone a lot deeper. And
Yeah,
a lot
because the
harder.
braking point's here at the thing.
I don't like to. I'm not that guy. Definitely has some pull.
Holy
shit, though.
smokes. Definitely does. Yeah, this has the pickup for sure.
Yeah, you can feel
I'm
it.
wondering how much power this has.
It's got to be somewhere near.
Bill,
600?
do you think Bill would know? Bill would know.
He will know. He will know. Yeah.
Because you would think it's probably more than the 675.
Yeah.
And the 675 would have 675.
Yeah.
I think.
I don't know. Talking to things, those are things I've never really had to look into.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely like, I don't know if anyone's even out on the track yet. I haven't seen anyone in the mirrors, which makes me feel good.
Yeah. See, I think that would probably be, that makes sense to me, that line.
That's the best line I think I've ever like picked for that
Yeah.
car, and I'm trying to repeat it.
Yeah.
But I don't understand what lines these guys take. 'Cause
Yeah.
They've got like different cars.
Do you ever go with them?
Yeah, and I mean, and I try to replicate as best I can.
Mm-hmm.
That just feels really smooth at my pace, right? Like I feel like I'm scrubbing off less speed,
Yeah.
and I'm coasting more and getting. Like, I don't have to dive onto the brakes.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like to really throw their cars around too much, you know. So when you make mistakes,
I understand. I do know. I know exactly what you mean. I think this has the, well, that would be why it has the green license plate. Because
Yeah, it does have
it
that.
has the electric assist.
yeah. And I don't know when it comes on. I think it's for.
maybe always is on
Yeah, I
when
think
you
it's
like
like the
jam
boost.
on it. I think
is
that's
pretty
why
slick.
you really feel it on that straightaway when you start accelerating out. And it's like a little, it's kind of off camera.
That's why I don't
downhill
like that
corner.
I don't like that corner at all.
And then with the elevation changes here, it's this next corner. It's like you gotta watch for that cone. I guess that's why that's there. You hit the cone, come down. There's the apex there. Into that cone. Over to that cone.
And I
into
kind of
that
aim
cone.
for that one, and then that's why
Yeah,
I like
that's what
sweeping
you're
that. And I don't like to scrub the
That's what
curves
you're
either.
used to do. Yeah. This is where that E-assist comes in. You can really feel it jamming.
Yeah, and I'm not even matting it,
This
right? Like this thing's
GoPro is
quick.
going for my face. Wow, we're doing like 250.
Yeah.
When I was with Rob, we were hitting 250 right here at the bridge.
This thing's
So
fast.
this thing
It's
would have
fast.
probably hit 270 if
yeah.
you
if
stayed
it
on
was
it to the bridge.
Steve or Bill, I bet
Yeah.
you will get you there.
going to even
Sounds like something an owner
push you.
should do.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna push you to do that either.
No.
We're all
pretty
making
good.
our own decisions here.
That was fun.
Yeah. Hey, thanks for taking me out.
No worries. That was great.
That
What a
was-
machine.
That is quite the machine. Oh, it doesn't want us to stop.
There we
There we go. And up and out.
I thought I switched it to electric there. I was like, must have just, I bet you it comes on when it needs to.
Oh, there goes the GT3 RS. I wonder if I got out in
Yeah,
time.
those guys should get out.
I can jump in with Rob. There we go. Cool machine. Dare you say hi, Kurt King?
How's it going, brother Kurt? That's funny who you meet when you're out and about.
Yeah, yeah. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
Well,
Another year done. Perfect day. Perfect weather. No rain. Thought it was maybe gonna rain. No real casualties. Just some close calls.
Yeah.
Just some close calls, no casualties. Hey, when the light goes green, we're going for it.
so much torque that the chassis twists off the line.
That's right. Quarter mile at a time, buddy. Just trying to determine who the pace car is. It's the McLaren or the Lamborghini.
The McLaren's actually pretty nice.
Yeah,
I mean,
it was really, you could really feel the power in it when we,
straight.
on the back straight, when it quit, like it just didn't stop pulling. If it was not his, like if you would have been in there with Bill or Steve, I'm sure at the end of the straight you'd be doing probably 270, 280.
Really, eh?
Because we were hitting 250 well
Easy.
before the bridge.
Yeah. Have you been to Steve's dad's house?
No. Are we going to Steve's or Steve's dad's?
His dad's place.
Okay.
You'll see the Carrera GT.
Oh, that's awesome. Lamborghini, right where it belongs, behind you. Sitting there with anybody? Views. This is how the day ends. Washed everything that came out. Pavement's still wet. We finished with Rob. Look at how shiny this one is. They're all shiny. Yeah. See my reflection in this. See my reflection here. There I am. That. Nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. Everything's nice and shiny. This never looked like it ever got dirty, but it's still shiny. Remains shiny. GT500. STO still getting buffed on, looks like. Was this supposed to be there still? Yeah? Okay. Not shiny because it's not supposed to be shiny. And then everything else that we didn't see today, but we're now seeing today. What a place. What a place. 918 Spyder. Carrera GT. I think I've never seen one of these till today. All the Formula One memorabilia on the wall. Senna helmet. Lewis Hamilton helmets. Maybe a Schumacher helmet. What a place. This is the upstairs. There's another level down there with more. But I don't know if we'll go down there. And then the other bay with everything else is daily drivers, which, I mean, you can go on another channel and see those on TGTV, potentially. Oh. Sun coming in. What a day. What a day. Look at the paint on this. Such a cool machine. All right, and that might be the end of this track day. We'll see you later.